Hello everyone, respected sir and my dear classmates. Myself Orindam Dutta from the Department of Food Engineering and Technology under Tezpur Central University. As per the third test assignment on the course Food Packaging, Transportation and Storage, I am going to present an interesting topic, that is carbon dioxide sensors for intelligent food packaging application. In this presentation, I am going to give a brief introduction about novel food packaging technologies. Carbon dioxide is a direct indicator of food quality. Then we will discuss about carbon dioxide sensors for intelligent food packaging applications. Under that, we will discuss about conventional carbon dioxide sensors and innovative optical carbon dioxide sensors. Then we will go for safety and regulatory aspects. Then conclusion. Moving to our first slide. Recently, the demand for safe and high quality foods as well as changes in consumer preferences have led to the development of innovative and novel approaches in food packaging technology. One such development is the smart and intelligent food packaging technology. Intelligent packaging has enabled to monitor and communicate information about food quality. This technology also helps to trace product history to the critical point in the food supply chain. In general, occurrence of elevated carbon dioxide gas level is the prime indicator of food spoilage in packaged food, and also its maintenance at optimal level is essential to avoid spoilage in food package under modified atmospheric conditions. Hence, carbon dioxide sensors incorporated into food package can efficiently monitor product quality until it reaches the consumer. Although much progress has been made so far in the development of sensor monitoring carbon dioxide, but most of them are not versatile for food packaging application and suffer from limitations such as high equipment cost, bulkiness, and other uh, defects like energy input requirement, including safety concerns. Therefore, the development of efficient carbon dioxide sensors that can intelligently monitor the gas concentration changes inside a food package and specific to food packaging application is essential. In the present, in this presentation, progress on the development of different types of carbon dioxide sensors such as optical sensor, polymer oval film, polymer hydrogel will be discussed. Moving to our first topic, that is novel food packaging techniques. Conventionally, a food package helps protect food from environmental influences such as moisture, light, oxygen, microbes, etc. These factors lead to enhance the deterioration of food or drink. An ideal packaging material should be inert, not to allow the transfer of such factors. Besides, must have a perfect barrier property and recyclability. Food packages makes distribution easier. Apart from this, there are other important functions of packaging, including containment, convenience, marketing, and communication, etc. However, in the recent year, the era of active and intelligent packaging is become increasingly significant. Active packaging changes the condition of packaged food to extend shelf life or to improve safety or sensory properties, while maintaining the quality of packaged food. And the intelligent packaging system monitor the condition of packaged food to give information about the quality of the packaged food during transportation and storage. Other development in the packaging technologies including odor absorbers, ethylene removers, and carbon dioxide emitters absorbers, etc. On the other hand, intelligent packaging system attach as labels incorporated into or printed onto food packaging material offer enhanced possibilities to monitor product quality, trace the critical point, and provide product information like product history, etc. Then our next topic is carbon dioxide is a direct indicator of food quality. Carbon dioxide gas can be solely or in different combination with other gases such as nitrogen, oxygen is typically used for creating protective atmosphere surrounding the food inside of a pack with an aim to exclude or minimize the oxygen content. Thereby, the shelf life of food can be extended through inhibiting the aerobic spoilage microbes. And also, oxygen has been suggested to be a major factor for deterioration of meat quality through lipid oxidation. The quality of MAP packed food ultimately depends on the integrity of package, and therefore leakage detection is the essential part of MAP technology. Under normal atmospheric packaging condition, when the food within a sealed container starts to spoil, several byproducts are formed and they accumulate inside. Therefore, theoretically, it is possible to detect spoilage by detecting one or more of these byproducts in laboratory. Production of heat, acidity, pressure, and carbon dioxide is commonly observed byproduct in food spoilage. Our next topic is carbon dioxide sensors for intelligent food packaging application. Under that, our first topic is conventional carbon dioxide sensors. Broadly, the carbon dioxide sensors can be divided into two types: optical and electrochemical, based on the types of transducer used. The electrochemical carbon dioxide sensors are further subcategorized into potentiometric, amperometric, and conductometric types. The non-distributive infrared NDIR and Severingus type sensors are used conventionally and commercially for gaseous and dissolved carbon dioxide detection, respectively. Severingus carbon dioxide sensors consist of a bicarbonate solution filled glass electrode covered by thin carbon dioxide permeable membrane. The membrane is impermeable to water and electrolytes. This sensor functions on the principle that the aqueous solution carbon dioxide forms carbonic acid, which is then dissolved into bicarbonate anion and proton. The proton-induced pH changes in the electrolyte solution that can be measured by pH probe. This is a diagram of Severingus type carbon dioxide sensors. Uh, Here it is a diagram of electrochemical potentiometric carbon dioxide sensors. Electrochemical potentiometric carbon dioxide sensors using solid electrolytes are one among promising method because of their compact structure, ability to continuous monitoring, high selectivity, and low cost. However, they are require power for signal generation and often require above 400 degrees Celsius operating temperature, and therefore they are not suitable for product such as food packaging applications. And environmental factors such as temperature and humidity that can affect the sensor performance, and especially in the case of metal oxide sensor by cross sensitivity reaction. Our next topic is innovative optical carbon dioxide sensors. The concept of on-pack continuous gas composition indicating optical carbon dioxide sensors are attractive and have been developed, tested by many researchers in monitoring MV food package integrity. Optical carbon dioxide sensors can be classified into two types, namely the sensors which functions based on color changes with a pH indicator dye, and secondly those based on carbon dioxide induced fluorescence changes of a luminescent dye. Here these are two pictures of those two kind of carbon dioxide sensors. Our next topic is um, innovative optical carbon dioxide sensors. Under this we will discuss about wet optical carbon dioxide sensors, that is pH based. All well optical carbon dioxide sensors functions on the principle of Severingus carbon dioxide electrode, and therefore diffusion of carbon dioxide from the test medium through a thin gas permeable membrane and quick establishment of equilibrium with entrapped aqueous layer which contains pH sensitive dye usually occur in a typical wet optical carbon dioxide sensors. The detection process involves mixing of gas to be tested with chemical reagent or dye, which results in a color changes of the chemicals. These changes of color can be measured by compared with uh, standard based that is prepared previously. A reversible carbon dioxide indicator comprising 5 indicator strips for use in modified atmospheric packages. These strips are coated with carbon dioxide sensitive indicator material. Each strips are designed in such a way that they changes their color when carbon dioxide level is below a certain limit. Uh, Here, this slide gives the principle of wet optical carbon dioxide sensors. The first step, the carbon dioxide gets dissolved in the aqueous buffer or hydrophilic uh, filter layer in strip or membrane type sensors and forms carbonic acid. Secondly, the two hydrogen atoms formed in form from the formed carbonic acid may dissociate into uh, hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions. Then the hydrogen ion as a proton combines with water molecule to form hydronium ion. Then hydronium ion reacts with the basic form of the indicator dye, resulting in an acid form, which turns produce a color changes in the indicator containing solution or level. Our next topic is fluorescent carbon dioxide sensors. Here you can see the picture of fluorescent carbon dioxide sensors. Similar to the calorimetric method, except the fluorescent dye is used to generate its own radiative energy at a different wavelength so that the excitation level can be detected. The generated extraction spectra will depend on the sample gases concentration. A printable oxygen and carbon dioxide sensors formulation have been developed for application in food packaging. For monitoring carbon dioxide gas, a fluorescence-based and pH-sensitive 8-hydroxypyrin 13,6 trisulfonic acid, that is HPTS indicator dye, encapsulated in organically modified silica class matrix are used. Our next carbon dioxide sensor is solid gel-based optical carbon dioxide sensor. An optical solid gel-based carbon dioxide sensor strip was fabricated using a fluorescent pH indicator, that is 1-hydroxypyrin 3 6,8 trisulfonicate, that is HPTS. This sensor exhibits a fast and reliable response to the carbon dioxide over a wide range of concentration, that is 0 to 100% of carbon dioxide with sufficient resolution. The dual luminophore references, that is DLR sensing method, and internal rhythmometric method is used for measuring the fluorescence. Moving to the safety and regulatory aspects, indicator or sensors are intended to used or to be placed inside the package, exposing to the headspace atmosphere there. Therefore, safety criteria have to be fulfilled. Often, packaging material are direct contact with the food inside the package, so that embedded or attached indicator to this packaging material must be suitable for direct food contact application. Most of the active and intelligent agents are considered as food contact material constituents, not as additives, and therefore food packaging system uh, must comply with the existing food contact material regulation. Moving to the conclusion, um, it it can be concluded that the optical carbon dioxide gas sensors are suitable for food packaging indicator application. Especially dry optical carbon dioxide sensors containing pH sensitive dye indicators are better suited for carbon dioxide monitor as spoilage indicator in food package application. However, the issues such as humidity, interference, lifetime, cost, safety, proton generation during other oxidative reactions have to uh, take into consideration before realizing the complete potential of pH-based sensors. Water-based carbon dioxide indicator inks can be used potentially in food applications, although they are relatively less sensitive towards carbon dioxide than their solvent-based carbon dioxide sensors possess most stable shelf-life and quick response or recovery time. On the other hand, photonic crystal sensors are promising due to low cost, long lifetime, suitability to a wide variety of analytes, and effective indication with quick response time. However, there is still more resources efforts are necessary for the development of food application specific sensors. These are some research paper that I have gone through during the preparation of this presentation, and thank you so much.